Hello, my name is Rachel Kagan, and I am a high school physics teacher at Paradise High School in Northern California. In order to help absent students, I send out daily emails to any and all absentees. In those emails, I summarize what we did that day and what they have to do in order to make up what they missed. I use a combination of screenshots of the class slides and of the teacher guide to help fill them in. The length of these emails can vary by day, but sometimes they can be somewhat long and detailed. I also attach any handouts or links we use. If it is a hands-on activity, I will have them make that part up at lunch the next day or use a video for them to watch. They generally take me anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to write, but it can be incredibly time-saving overall since I don't need to explain to each student what they miss / remember myself what they missed while they were gone. This is especially helpful if they miss multiple days in a row. At this point, because the curriculum is so new, I don't have these pre-written out. I also do not rate them on the rare day when I don't have anyone absent. My hope as I move forward with this curriculum is to create a doc that has the main parts of each lesson already pre-written, and then I can just copy and paste into the email and then modify depending on maybe individual details of what the class discussed or which direction they went instead of starting each day from scratch like I am now. You'll also notice there are some typos in these. Since I teach 3 different preps and I do these for all 3 of my preps, they do tend to get a little rushed, so sorry about that. I will share my screen to show a couple of examples. This first one is from Unit 3, Lesson 5. If you're teaching this unit, you will notice that this email spanned 2 partial days worth of materials because I'm not always the best at keeping day-to-day pace in the curriculum. But you can just see I BCC to all students that are absent. I screenshot out of the slides. I screenshot slides here and kind of give them the details of what they need to do in between the screenshots of slides. And then down below, I've linked a handout that we used that day so the students can click on that. Continuing to screenshot slides and then link a simulation that we started to look at so they can click on that and actually go through it themselves. Obviously, they can't do the turn and talks. Sometimes I have them write that down and I'll say in your notebook, write this down, but not always. And then kind of copy that out and then go back through another handout that they got that day. So hopefully that one helps. Another example, this one kind of similar, but we had actually collected data from a lab this day. So I had 4 students absent, Lily, Shaylee, Trevor, and Aiden. And they had to pick different conditions. So I assigned different conditions for who to do what and how to record their data. I gave the handout, linked what we did in class. So this write-up was actually pretty quick because it was mostly activity, but likely harder for the students to make up. So I hope there was something in here that was helpful for you folks to use, and feel free to reach out to me if there are any questions. Thank you.